Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Welcome to our yoga channel, everyone. Yoga has history about 5,000 years. Let's first understand the meaning of the word yoga.
Yoga word is derived from the Sanskrit. Sanskrit is one of the oldest scriptural language from the India.
Yoga means to join or unite body, mind, and breath.
Also body, mind and soul.
It is an art and science for healthy living. Yogic practices from India became popular all over the world. People started realizing the benefits of yoga. 21st of June is celebrated as International Yoga Day, which spreads awareness about the benefits of yoga.
If we look into the history, sage Patanjali has written a 195 sutra in a book and explained how a yogic practices can be followed. It is divided into 4 parts and 195 sutra explains everything in detail. So what do you expect from our channel? So if you look into this, it is a Ashtanga practice. So it's 8 limbs of the yogic practices. So it starts with yama, niyam, asana, pranayam, pratyahar, dharana, dhyan and samadhi. So before, if we see, asana is the most popular practice throughout the world. But before doing the asana, one should follow yama, niyama, and then only he can go to the asana. Then only asana practice will be get benefited in his life. And after that, you go for the pranayam. Then pratyahar, dharana, dhyan, and then the end stage is samadhi. So you can expect these all things from our channel. Also, there are other 4 types of yoga: Bhakti Yoga, Karma Yoga, Kriya Yoga, and Jnana Yoga. So you can see all the practices in our channel. You can see chanting, how to do your day-to-day practice in yoga, what to do before, which is the start prayer, end prayer, how you follow the practices, how to perform different asanas, how to do the breathing practice, that is a pranayam. So everything you can expect from our channel. All 4 yogas we are including going to in our channel. Also the Ayurveda, so you can know what correct food is for the yogic practices, how to eat, how to drink, and how to adapt this entire yogic practices in your day-to-day lifestyle. It is very important. We are not going to say that everyone is going to get the samadhi, but how we all going to get benefited in our day-to-day life from the yoga, that's what you can learn from our channel.
Yoga is a great gift to mankind. Let me conclude with a thought from Bhagavad Gita, which says, yoga is the journey of the self,
Of the self,
through the self,
through the self,
and to the self.
to the self.
So, thank you so much, everyone.
Subscribe and like our channel.
Hari Om.